Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this simple but packed with flavour couscous salad. First I'll start by de-seeding 2 peppers that I've already washed. I'll chop them into medium-sized cubes. Alright, now they're all chopped, I'll coat them in a couple of tablespoons of oil. I've already preheated my oven to 180 Celsius and I'll pop them in the oven till they are slightly brown round the sides and nice and soft. In this bowl I've measured out 200 grams of couscous. I've crushed up 1 vegetable stock cube and I'm going to add 400 millilitres of boiling water. I'll just give that a quick stir and pour it into the couscous. And I'm also going to stir in a couple of tablespoons of pesto. I've cut some foil and I'm just going to place that on top to trap in the heat. And I'll set that to the side for about 20 minutes. I've removed the peppers from the oven now. They're lovely and soft with a nice golden edge. I'll just leave them to cool down. In the meantime, I'm going to chop into medium-sized cubes 1 red onion. I've got half a cucumber washed and I'm just going to chop that up into medium-sized chunks as well. I've taken the foil off the couscous and allowed it to cool down, and now I'm going to stir in the chopped onions. And in goes the roasted peppers. And the chopped cucumbers. And lastly, I crumble in some feta cheese. I give that all a good stir, and there we have our delicious couscous salad. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.